Alright, so this should be a simple in and out change. I'm changing the mouse control pad on my GS because, as you can see, I don't know if you can tell in the video, it's scuffed, has a scratch that came from a vacuum hose at a car wash. So since I'm going to replace it anyways, I'm going to go ahead and update it with the newer version that's based on the 15s and after. So apparently it's just a matter of pulling it out. Yep. And then pushing this one down like so. Pretty easy. That was it. Let's see it kick into place there. Part number is 84811-30061, as you can see there. And let's check it out.
On the farm, you're staring up at the sky.
Everything's running great.
Praying for rain. Something like that.
A lot nicer, a little more ergonomic. So that'll be good. Anyways, there you go. See you later.